welcome to Vista NEET Academy. Let us check out one question related to physics logic gates, which is asked frequently in JEE and also NEET. The correct Boolean operation represented by the circuit diagram drawn is. Let us check out the circuit. Here both the inputs are given and this is a symbol for switch. How to represent the switch? If it is off position, then the value will be equal to 0. If it is in the on position, then the value is equal to 1. Now in this position, both the switches are in off position, which is 0 and 0. Here 6 volts voltage source is connected to the resistors and the LED is connected in between the resistors, which is highly resistive now. Now we need to check out whether the bulb is glown. If it is glown, the value is equal to 1. If it is in the off position, then the value is equal to 0. Let us check out the current path. Always we need to think that the current will be flowing towards the low resistance value. Now, if we are going to take the current path from the 6 volts towards the switch A, that is, here the switch is in off position, so current will not pass. It will choose the another path, that is from 6 volts to resistance, and it passes through the LED. Now the bulb will be glowing. So the answer will be here, output will be equal to 1. Now next one, another position is 0 and 1. If the switch is 0, A is 0 and B is in the on position. Now switch B is in on position, that is equal to 1. The current flowing through this path will come and stop near A switch because it is in the off position. So current will not flow through it. Again it will choose the same path through the resistor R and it passes through the LED, which is equal to glown. Again the output will be equal to 1. Now let us check out for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. Here the current path of this particular A switch will be on position. Now the current is passing through this A switch because it is in the on position and it will come to B, but B is in the 0 position, so therefore the current will not pass through forward. So again it will choose the same path of resistor through and it passes through the LED and the switch and the light will be glown, which is the output is equal to 1. Now both the switches in the 1 and 1 position. Now both the switches are turned on. So A will be closed circuit and B is also closed circuit. Now let us check out the current path. The current is passing through A switch because it is in the on position and it will pass through B switch, again it is in the on position, and it will enter into the ground because directly it is connected towards the ground. When it is passed into the ground, there is no current passes through the LED, so therefore it is in the off position. So when both the switches are on, our output will be equal to 0. Now let us check out according to the options. The output will be equal to Y is equal to, we are going to take 1, 1, 1 and 0. Actually if it is not 0,